update time. My 124 kit got great torque on it. The dyno said 145.7 and 132 on horsepower. Guess what though? Riding back from the destination Daytona, and it done blew up, as they say down south. All of a sudden, as I'm pulling to the hotel, it just started to like putter and sputter or whatever, and just died out. Couldn't start it again. So Jamie at Speeds Plus Performance, they came out right away. They got a trailer, took the bike back, tore it down last night. Early this morning I get a phone call. Basically, one of the parts in there, these are SNS parts, in basic terms, kind of blew up, sent like a chunk of metal to the crank. It's all screwed. It's basically screwed. So I have a couple options. One is I'm gonna have to get a new crank from Dark Horse, and then try to rebuild the 124 again, or possibly go to 128, or a brand new crate motor for 131. And they're standing behind it, which is great. I'm leaning towards the 131 because I'm kind of scared of the 120, the SNS right now. Who's to say it won't happen again? I mean, it could happen with the 131. But anyway, so I go and check in. I try to leave here. This is where it gets interesting. Let me lean back here. So I try to get out of this place. I try to get a rental car. I get there, I'm like number 10 in the queue to get a rental car. I can't get a rental car. I check all the rental car sites. I can't get any rental cars. I'm stuck in Daytona. I only live 225 miles south, but I'm stuck. Can't get any rental cars. I finally give up. I tried to even get a flight from Daytona International down to Boynton Beach or West Palm or Fort Lauderdale, whatever. Couldn't even get a flight. Amtrak is like 9 hours and wouldn't leave till the next day. Long story short, I started looking for hotels, and I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm not going to stay in some little shithole hotel for $300 a night because all the prices are raised and you can't even get any. So I checked into the Hard Rock. So check out the room. Give you a quick tour. So this is one expensive trip. Now this is the room. It's a king suite. And what's also great is it's freaking gonna rain. So I just bought a $50 bathing suit and it's gonna rain. So this is heading up. A helmet that will not be used for weeks. There's the bedroom. Nice king size bed. And they're pumping that music in. I'm not picking it. Bathroom's nice. So this is working out to be a very expensive vacation and no bike. In my luck, I'll get the bike back in the summertime when it's nice and hot. So I'll keep you up to date on how this is going. Not too good of a start, but I'm in a good mood somehow.